Hey ladies, what is up? We have a cute little Amazon haul that I'm going to show you guys. I got a bunch of basics, bodysuits, turtlenecks, just things to wear underneath things to kind of layer lightly, but just to kind of give you, just a different spin to your outfit. I'm more of a simple gal when I get dressed. I don't do a bunch of stuff. I like to keep things simple. I preferably love a sweater dress, a one number situation, because I could just put it on, put a pair of boots on, and I'm done. But any event I gotta put a pair of jeans on, or a turtleneck, or a shirt, or sweater, I can keep it super simple. I'm very minimal on the prints, but I have a few. But let's get into this Amazon haul. So I have been eyeing these bodysuits because I like to wear blazers or sweaters or just little different things. I said, you know what, sometimes when you have your sweater on, you may not want to actually take your sweater off. You might get a little bit warm, whatever the case may be. So I found some bodysuits. These bodysuits, let me tell you, I got one from Temu. I know we're talking about Amazon right now, but I'm just telling you. I got one, and then when I tell you that bodysuit fit me like a glove. It's a tank top, bralette type, not bralette, but bra bodysuit snap, between the legs and everything. And it was something along these lines. So I picked up this little number right here. As you guys can see, it is a thong back right here. I did pick it up in pink as well. Let me put this one to the side. It has that stretchy bra. So I'm always looking for something that's going to cover these girls up. And it's just stretchy. I got mine in a medium. I didn't want to go any lower than that. So I got a medium, and I have not yet tried her on, but all the reviews on Amazon were great. I'll have everything linked down below that I got from Amazon. So yeah, nice. So I'm going to show you, let me see, what do I have over here? I do have a sweater that I want to wear over the black one. Not the pink one per se. The pink one, sorry y'all. The pink one I'm gonna probably wear like maybe under a denim shirt. Maybe, oh, I do have a little cardigan that's the same pale pink. I can do that number. I have a few things I can kind of like mix and match. And since we're talking about outfits, ideas, I will be doing a 30-day outfit challenge where I'm just going to style some clothes that I have to kind of get through them, transition into the winter, transition into the spring. Because right now, even though we're like a day or two away from winter, we thinking about the spring right now. I know I am, because that's my favorite time. Spring and summer, my favorite time. I'm not trying to rush. I ain't trying to rush. I don't want to rush time. But right now, even though we're in winter, we're thinking about what's for spring, all the runway stuff, all the things like that. But it's always like you are a season ahead. So yeah, I'm there. But we can wear these all year round. You can layer these, and this can be like a top or something like that. So yeah, I'll link them down below. I got mine in the medium, and I will be styling these in a video. Well, more so an Instagram reel. It'll be on shorts, don't get me wrong, it will be there, but come on over to Instagram, hang out with your girl. Let's have some fun over there. Or TikTok, wherever you want to be. I don't know. Next up is these turtleneck bodysuits. Now, they came in a 3-pack, as you guys can see right here. I'm going to go ahead and show you the orange one because why not? We're getting fancy with the colors because I'm more of a neutral girl, I'm going to be honest. So this is a mock neck turtleneck. It's not too, grungy in the neck like a turtleneck. This is more like, just that right there. And all my bodysuits I got is in a medium. Everything's in a medium. So let me back up for you. Here is the actual bodysuit. It definitely looks a little bit on the wide side, but you have to get your body into it. That's why I got me a medium. It does have some stretch to it, but I do feel confident enough that this will fit my body. I gotta get in it. I gotta get these boobs in it. And and my body gotta get in this. So I'm thinking about that, and I didn't want my arms to be tight, so we'll see. Now maybe I could have possibly got a small, but I'm looking at the tail part right here. That's definitely bigger than mine. But I feel very confident that my body can get into it. I'm not gonna put it on right now if I do have on makeup, and I don't want to mess it up. But this came in a 3-pack and it was an affordable price, and I'll link it down below so you can check it out. Next up, I could have sworn this was a 3-pack as well, but this might only be a 2-pack. These are some regular, like, I forgot what you call this, like a round neck, as you guys can see. So it's kind of going to be a little scoop, kind of giving a little cleavage action. Got it in a medium as well. I'm very confident I'm going to be able to get into this. I don't feel it's going to be oversized. It's looking like that, but my body has to get into it. The boob area looks good, and then, you know, once you get everything else in, it's going to, you know, slim down. Arms feel good. Nice and soft. Really, really nice soft material. Let's see what we got here. It says 90% polyester and 10% spandex. So 10% is a lot. Anything 5 and over, we doing damn good. You hear me? So this came in a 2-pack, as I mentioned before. And this is the hot pink and the black. Next up is another 3-pack. I went crazy on bodysuits. I love a good bodysuit. Let me tell you why. When I wear jeans, if I wear a top, this is a crop top right now, so this is okay because it's going to do what it's going to do. But you know, when you wear a shirt and you tuck it inside your pants and then you sit down and then you get up, guess what? The pants and the shirt have separated. Your shirt is now outside your pants. You're looking crazy in the back and you don't know what's going on. If you have a bodysuit on, it ain't going nowhere because guess what? It's snapped between them thighs and they ain't going nowhere, not unless you unlatch it. So that's why I love a good bodysuit. Now this here's a different one for me. This is a brown one, a black one, and a white one. Let me show you the brown one. This is a tank top style bodysuit, nicely ribbed, good thick material. Kind of do that waist cinching number in the middle. We like that. This here is a kind of a, you know, kind of cheeky panty, you know, so it can still kind of give you a wedgie. Y'all know how that go. But I liked it because it gave kind of, you know, a nice silhouette. You probably can't. Let me show you a white one. That's even worse. I'm trying to show y'all so y'all can see. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. So it has a nice tank top look, feel. As you guys can see, I like that. I don't want to try anything on because I really want you guys to join me on this challenge that I'm doing. Where I'm going to do a 30-day challenge. And if I started, it doesn't matter when I start. You guys know day 1 of so and so and so. I wasn't going to start it in January. I don't know. I might just start it right after Vlogmas. We'll see. Next up is this faux skirt. Y'all get into it. This is a medium. It has a little a split right here. Nothing to run home about. The slit is in the front. Believe it or not, the slit is in the front. It's super soft. I've been hitting on the faux, from the boot to the skirt, to the pants. I have been hitting. I just feel like everybody is understanding if we're going to do some faux, it got to look nice. And you can understand it's faux, so it's not going to look like leather. But it can still look good on the faux side. I tell you, this skirt looks so nice. I cannot wait to wear it. I cannot wait to style it. Oh, yesterday, be impressive. Today, be intelligent. Tomorrow, be confident with hopes. Oh, this is so nice. I gave you a little something, something. Size medium. It has a little give. Just a little bit. Nothing to run home about. Again, let me see if I got anything in here for you. I can let you know what you're working with. 100% the shell. Polyurethane. Lining 100% polyester. Backing. What the heck is that name? I don't know, y'all, but it got a little stretch, just a little bit. So if you think you need a little bit more room, for me, a medium would be fine for me. I can get in here and give it a good shimmy, and I'm being it. Next up, y'all, this here, a young lady on Instagram. She is amazing on Instagram. To be honest, I had attended oh my God, what did I attend? Some type of webinar that popped up on my Instagram, and I just signed up for it. And it wound up being like something a part of like to know it. It was a whole big thing. I had no clue. Found this young lady, I can't think of her name off the bat, but I do follow her now. She had on this number, and I tell you, I ran to Amazon and I picked it up. This is the skirt. I got mine in a medium. This is the skirt, and as you guys can probably see on the side, it does have a nice split. A nice split. And it has this cropped sweater. Y'all, when I tell you I ran. I had to have this. And I am a sucker for a 2-piece or a 1-piece sweater set. This is my jam. This is so my speed. I love a good, comfy, simple number. I like to just look nice, simple, cute. Nice purse, good skin, fresh cut. This take me out. This take me out on a date. I'm good. Last but not least is these cardigans. I had to pick these up. I am a cardigan girl. You guys know that. I got a bunch of sweaters I have not yet shown you guys. I am a cardigan girl. Okay. And I think I got into cardigans because working in the office is always cold. And I just was like, I need to have a bunch of sweaters. So I got these two. They're the same sweater. I'm the kind of person, if I like something, I'm going to get it in multiple colors. As you probably can tell already. So the first one I saw was this one. I love a good green. And then my favorite color is any variation of a pink. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to try the pink one on for you since I have on a green top. It's just a nice, it's simple. It's nothing fancy by any means. It's just, as you guys can see, it has like this right here. Just nice and simple. I was going to wear a pair of black jeans, my ankle booties, or my tall booties. You can't see it all the way because I'm, about to hit the wall. But with that bodysuit kind of strappy thing, and kind of wear off the shoulder, giving a little extra. I already had plans for this sweater. But yeah, if you want to see how I'm going to style it, make sure you'll follow me on Instagram. It will be on shorts as well, but I will do a roundup probably later on in the end of the month, or probably as the month is going in the weeks. I'll do a roundup and I'll do like some videos and whatnot, just so you guys can see all the outfits and whatnot. I think it's going to be so cool. I'm so excited about doing this. And yeah, I still have a bunch of stuff over here. For those of you who watch my vlogs, I have a ton of clothes that I have not worn. I just shop. I love clothes, but I don't, I'm not really a fashion girly. I just like to look clean and nice for myself and just look presentable. That's just, I stay in my lane. That's exactly what I do. I don't do anything extra. But yeah. So what did you like? Let me know. Are you an Amazon shopper? Not just to get the little extra to buy on Amazon, but have you purchased any clothes from Amazon? This is not my first rodeo of buying clothes from Amazon. I do take my time when I'm shopping for clothes on Amazon because, it could be a hit or miss. But one thing I do like about Amazon is when you shop on Amazon and it doesn't fit you, you can always send it back. And everything I got, I'm in love. It's not going anywhere. So it's not going back. And I already threw all the packaging out. So that's that. But let me know if you do shop on Amazon.